Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. Once Dalai Lama said, when we are speaking, we are actually repeating what we already know. But when we are listening, we might learn something. So this video is on listening. In my previous videos, I have discussed about communication, types of communication, different barriers of communication, how to communicate effectively. In that videos, I have mentioned about listening also. So today I'll discuss about listening, the definition of listening, the types of listening, their examples, and obviously the importance of listening also. So listening is the key of communication. Without listening, our communication can never be appropriate, or the purpose of communication can never be fulfilled. Until and unless we don't listen about the feelings of the other person, if we don't listen about the information of the other person, we'll never get to know the purpose of our communication. So without wasting much time, let's start. Talking about the definition of listening, the ability to accurately receive and interpret message in the communication. जब हम किसी के संदेश को ग्रहण करते हैं, समझते हैं और उसके accordingly act करते हैं, तभी हम कह सकते हैं कि we have listened. Now moving towards the types of listening, there are basically 4 types of listening. The first and the foremost one is appreciative listening. Second one is empathic listening. Third one is comprehensive listening. And the fourth one is critical listening. Moving towards appreciative listening, when we listen something in light mood, जब हम कुछ enjoy करने के लिए सुनते हैं, जैसे कि कोई कॉमेडी, म्यूजिक या etc., इस तरह की listening को appreciative listening कहते हैं. Now talking about empathic listening, this type of listening is when we listen to understand what the other person is feeling. We not only listen to their words, but we understand their emotions as well. Moving towards comprehensive listening, when we listen to understand with rapt attention, like we listen in classrooms, we listen comprehensively, we notice each and every points, we try to understand every small things, we discuss on it. जब हम क्लासरूम में रहते हैं तो हम लोग comprehensively हर चीज को सुनते हैं. Now moving towards critical listening, जब हम किसी की बातों को सुनते हैं और जो इम्पोर्टेंट लगे सिर्फ उसी पॉइंट पर विचार करते हैं कि किस हद तक वो बात सही है या गलत. When we judge the data given by someone, it is called critical listening. Now understanding the importance of listening. Why listening is so important? क्या हो जाता अगर listening हम सही से नहीं कर पाते तो? फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, लिसनिंग हमारा रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करने में हेल्प करता है. जब हम एम्पैथेटिकली किसी को सुनते हैं, हमारा संबंध ऑटोमेटिकली उस इंसान के साथ अच्छा हो जाता है, क्योंकि उस कंडीशन में हम उनके इमोशंस को समझते हैं, उसे खुद से कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं. फिर it can improve our knowledge. When we listen anything comprehensively, we understand and discuss each and every point. We enhance our knowledge about that topic. Then it improves our understanding also. When we listen to someone, we tend to understand the knowledge or the information given by them. उस चीज को अगर हम सुनते हैं और ध्यान देते हैं तो उसके ऊपर हमारा अंडरस्टैंडिंग ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है. देन इट प्रिवेंट्स प्रॉब्लम्स. बाय लिसनिंग केयरफुली, व्हेन वी प्रिवेंट many unnecessary problems or misunderstanding which can rise due to miscommunication. Miscommunication के वजह से जो problems हो सकती है वो listening से ठीक किया जा सकता है. It saves our time also. सेव्स टाइम एंड एनर्जी ऑल्सो. जब हम किसी के इंस्ट्रक्शन को सही से सुनते हैं, हमारा टाइम भी काफ़ी सेव होता है. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव, and helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.